vlog live. Good morning, vlog live. Today is Luau Day. It's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. It's Daisy.
Thank you.
Where are you going? It's this way. Miss Daisy, we talked about you straying away from the pack. So now we're going back to the crib. We're going to go and catch the $2 trolley, and we're gonna take that to downtown Kona, and then from there we're gonna go to the luau and then call it a day.
Something down.
Yeah, it's a straw.
What?
A straw.
I think we might be lost. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going. So we finally made it to Luau. And I'm sitting here on the floor because they're still setting up. I mean, we're early.
All right, tonight we're going to have good fun tonight, right?
Yes.
No grouchy people, right?
Finally got in.
The star of our luau menu is walking the green carpet, and there she is.
Back to the chorus and a pull. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Go ahead.
Just finished our luau. Now we're heading back to the $2 trolley. $2 trolley! Look at this fire though. Isn't it awesome? Just came back from the luau. I'm ready to go to bed. Luau was alright. It was good. It was good.
Interestingly enough, two of the top players in the conference battling above the net, but it was wide. It is 18 serving 10 in the third. Hawaii won the first 25-13, the second 25-15.
I'm eating popcorn and watching women's volleyball in Hawaii. The Hawaii team is actually playing. But I just wanted to come on and say thank you for watching. If you watch this far, you should probably subscribe. Maybe. Just throwing it out there. Or you can like it, the video. You can like the video. Or you can leave a comment. Yeah, leave a comment. Let me know if there was any part of the video that you liked, any part of the video you didn't like. And let me know, like, what do you think I can improve on? I like feedback. Positive and negative feedback. Feedback's feedback. Anywho, thanks again. And wish you a happy aloha. Wish you many aloha. Aloha means hello, goodbye, and love. Toodles.